my favorite things that you can do in Tears of the Kingdom is you can grab these little bird gliders and you can glide down on them. So let's do that. They're pretty fun to glide around with, and you basically just have to stand on certain sides and